Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have started studying about the lesson force, work and energy. In the last video class, first we have studied about the definition of a force. I hope you have understood the definition of a force. Dear students, can you define what is force? Force is nothing but it is a push or pull of an object. Acting on a object is called a force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull acting on an object is called a force. When you push any object, when you pull any object, the force is applied. What you are applying here? Here you are applying a force. Even we have studied about the effects of force. Effects are nothing but here whatever the force we are applying, we can't see that force here, but some of the changes will take place in that object. For example, change in the shape of that object, even the size of the object may change, and even the direction of object will change. Again the force, even it can stop the moving object here. These are the some of the effects of force which we have studied in our previous video class. And even we have seen the types of force, but we have not studied in detail. How many types of force are there total here? We are having a total 6 types of force which you are studying in your this lesson. So the first force is a gravitational force, electrostatic force, buoyant force, frictional force, mechanical force, magnetic force. These are the types of forces. Dear students, today in this video class, let us study about what is gravitational force. Yes, dear students, I want to explain one example here. Take one ball in your hand and throw it. So when you throw the object in the air, when you throw any object, it may be ball, it may be stone, anything. When you throw any object in the air, what happens? The object will come back to the ground. Why is it so? Why the object will come back to the ground? Can you guess why? Because of the gravitational force. Because of this gravitational force, the object will come back to the ground here. So can you define now what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is the force. Gravitational force is one force it is that attracts objects to the earth here. Dear students, as I have given you the example, when you throw any object in the air, what happens? The object will come back towards the earth. Why? Because of the gravitational force. So can you define now what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is a force that pulls all the objects towards the earth. If you throw a ball up, it comes down after some time due to a gravity. When you throw a ball in the air, the ball will come back to the earth surface. Why the ball will come back to the earth surface here? Because of the gravity. So earth is having which force here? Our earth is having a gravitational force. So whatever the object you are throwing in the air, it pulls all the object towards the ground only. Because of the gravitational force, all the objects will come back to the ground. Here is the definition of a gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force that attracts an object with its mass. Nothing but what is gravitational force? Even you can tell in your own words also. Gravitational force is one force. Even you can tell it will pull all the object towards the earth. Or else even you can define in this manner also. Gravitational force is a force that attracts an object with its mass. Here the meaning of mass is weight. What is the meaning of mass? The meaning of mass here is weight. So even you can try this activity in your home. Take ball in your hand. Just you throw the ball in the air. Can you observe what happens to the ball? Yes, the ball will come back to the earth only. Why is it so? Why the ball is coming back to the earth? Because of the gravitational force. Our earth is having a gravitational force. So gravitational force will pull all the objects towards the earth. So gravitational force is the force that pulls all the objects towards the ground or earth. Okay, this is all about the gravitational force I have explained. I hope you have understood about the gravitational force, and even you can define the gravitational force and give examples also. Dear students, let us study about the next force, that is frictional force. So friction force is a force that tries to stop the movement of an object across the surface. What does this friction force will do? It will tries to stop the movement of an object. Friction force, what it will do? It will stop the movement of the objects here. So friction force is the force that tries to stop the movement of objects across the surface. Friction always acts in the direction opposite to the direction of a movement of a objects. Dear students, can you see the picture here? Yes, here a man is pulling this object, and how he is pulling, which force is making him to pull here? Because of the friction force. The force is between the object. Where is the force? The force is between object and between the surface here. The force is between the object and the surface here. So they have told here definition. Friction force is a force that tries to stop the movement of objects across surface, and it always acts in a direction opposite to the direction of movement of an object. It can slow down, such as ice, glass produces a less friction. So have you done sliding on ice? Yes, there is a less friction will be there. Yes, even you will be habit of making a sliding. Yes, in your school and all. That is also why, because of the friction force only. So can you define now what is frictional force? Frictional force is the force which acts in the direction opposite to the one in which the object is moving. So friction force is one force here. So what happens here? Which acts in the direction. So it will act, if it is the friction acting in one direction and the opposite to one, and it will be acting opposite to one. If the object is here, the friction force will be opposite to that force here. So here is the definition of a frictional force. Frictional force is the force which acts in the direction. So it will be acting in one direction. And what will be opposite to this direction? The surface, which opposite to the one in which the object is moving. So this is about the frictional force. Dear students, today in this video class, just we have studied about the gravitational force and the frictional force. What we have studied? Gravitational force and frictional study. So what is your homework? So today you have to read how much I have taught for you, and you have to mark the definition and examples. So what is gravitational force? Give example. And what is frictional force? Give example. And even what is force? That also you have to write the answer for these question and mention the examples also. Even I will send the homework in your WhatsApp group. The questions I will send in the WhatsApp group. So do the homework, dear students. Don't forget to do studies. Okay, daily you have to do the homework and you have to send it to my WhatsApp group. It's compulsory. And I am going to mark the one who is not sending the homework. So keep in your mind and study well and read the lesson loudly, so that you will not forget any concept. In the next video class, we will continue with this lesson. Till that, dear students, take care, study well, have a nice day.